Hello everyone, this is Mamta Moon and today we'll learn and solve self-practice exercise questions 5A, questions 1 to 16 of chapter Friction of class 6 of Composite Mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of future videos. Let's get started and solve some questions. What we will learn today? Today we will learn and solve exercise 5A questions 10 to 16 of chapter fractions, and topics are fractions, type of fractions, proper, improper and mixed fraction, convert unlike fraction into like fraction, convert improper into mixed fraction, and convert mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Let's solve some questions. Now we solve question number 10, and question number 10 is classify as proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction. First bit is 4 divided by 9. We know when numerator is less than the denominator, then that fraction is said to be a proper fraction. Here 4, numerator is 4 and denominator is 9. Numerator 4 is less than the denominator 9, so this is a proper fraction. Second bit is 11 divided by 8. Here we know when numerator is greater than the denominator, then that fraction is said to be an improper fraction. Here numerator is 11 and denominator is 8. Numerator 11 is greater than the denominator 8, so this is an improper fraction. Now solve question number third bit. Third bit is 43 divided by 7. We know when a numerator is greater than the denominator, then that fraction is said to be an improper fraction. Here numerator is 43 and denominator is 7. Numerator is 43 is greater than denominator 7, so this is an improper fraction. Fourth bit is 2 divided by 15. Here numerator is 2 and denominator is 15. Numerator 2 is less than the denominator 15, so this is a proper fraction. Now we solve question number 5th bit. Fifth bit is 7 4 divided by 5, and this is a mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is a combination of whole and the proper fraction. Here 7 is the whole and 4 divided by 5 is a proper fraction, as numerator 4 is less than the denominator 5. So this is a mixed fraction. Mixed fraction consists of whole and the proper fraction. Sixth bit is 14 divided by 14. When numerator is greater than the denominator, then that fraction is said to be a improper fraction. Here 14 divided by 14 equal to 1, and this is a improper fraction is 14 greater than or equal to 14. So 14 divided by 14 is an improper fraction. Now we solve question number 11, and question number 11 is write each improper fraction as a mixed number. First bit is 29 divided by 4. This is a improper fraction as numerator 29 and denominator is 4. Numerator 29 is greater than the denominator 4. And we know improper fraction equal to quotient remainder divided by divisor. We divide the divisor, 4 is the divisor and 29 is the dividend. We divide the divisor by the dividend. 29 divided by 4, 29 is the dividend and 4 is the divisor. Then 4 multiplied with 7, we get 28. So 29 minus 28 is 1, and 1 is the remainder and 7 is the quotient. 7 quotient and 1 is the remainder. When we divide 29 by 4, we get 4 multiplied with 7 plus 1. And 7 is the quotient and 1 is the remainder, and 29 is the dividend and 4 is the divisor. So 29 divided by 4 equal to quotient remainder divided by divisor. Quotient is 7, remainder is 1 and divisor is 4. So 29 divided by 4 equal to 7, quotient 7, remainder 1, divisor 4. 7 1 divided by 4. The 7 is whole and 1 divided by 4 is a proper fraction. So we get 29 divided by 4 equal to 7 1 divided by 4. 7 is the whole and 1 divided by 4 is a proper fraction. Now we solve question number second bit. Second bit is 63 divided by 10. Here numerator is 63 and denominator is 10, and this is an improper fraction, and we have to convert this improper fraction as the mixed fraction. We know improper fraction is equal to quotient remainder divided by divisor, and 10 is the divisor and 63 is the dividend. We divide divisor by the dividend. 63 divided by 10, 10 multiplied with 6 is 60, and 63 minus 60 is 3. Here 6 is the quotient and 3 is the remainder. So 63 divided by 10 is quotient 6, remainder 3 divided by divisor 10. 63 divided by 10 is 6, 3 divided by 10. Here 6 is the whole and 3 divided by 10 is a proper fraction. So we get 63 divided by 10 equal to 6, 3 divided by 10. 6 is the whole and 3 divided by 10 is a proper fraction. Now we solve question number 12, and question number 12 is write each mixed number as an improper fraction. We have to convert the mixed fraction into an improper fraction. First bit is 7, 3 divided by 4. This is a mixed fraction. As mixed fraction is a combination of whole and the proper fraction. Here 7 is whole and proper fraction is 3 divided by 4. We know improper fraction equal to denominator multiplied with whole plus numerator divided by denominator. This is the rule for finding the improper fraction. 7 3 divided by 4 equal to denominator 4 multiplied with 7 plus numerator 3 whole divided by denominator 4. So we get 4 multiplied with 7 is 28. 28 plus 3 is 31. 31 divided by 4. And this is an improper fraction. So we get 7 3 divided by 4 equal to 31 divided by 4. And 31 divided by 4 is an improper fraction. As here 31 numerator is greater than the denominator 4. Now we solve question number second bit 6 4 divided by 9, and this is a mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is the combination of whole and the proper fraction. Here 6 is the whole and proper fraction is 4 divided by 9. We know improper fraction equal to denominator multiplied with whole plus numerator divided by denominator. This is the rule for finding the improper fraction from the mixed fraction. So 6 4 divided by 9 equal to denominator 9 multiplied with whole 6 plus numerator 4 divided by denominator 9. So we get 9 multiplied with 6 is 54, 54 plus 4 is 58, 58 divided by 9. So we get 6, 4 divided by 9 equal to 58 divided by 9. And 58 divided by 9 is an improper fraction as numerator 58 is greater than the denominator 9. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubt, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.